Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready for a flavor explosion? Today we are diving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a classic dish, prawn green masala curry. This aromatic and flavorful curry is packed with fresh herbs, spices and tender prawns. The green masala paste, made with a blend of aromatic spices and fresh coriander, gives the curry its vibrant color and unique taste. The combination of spicy, tangy and slightly sweet flavor makes prawn green masala a truly unforgettable dish. I'm going to show you step by step how to prepare it. So now let's begin. So first take 22 to 25 large prawns, clean and peeled. Add some salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix it and marinate it for about half an hour. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add 5 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger roughly cut, and then fry it until it gets a nice light brown color. Then add 2 onions sliced and fry the onion until it is nice and light brown. Then add half tablespoon cumin seeds, 4 green cardamom, 4 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 2 green chilies, and then fry it for about 2 minutes. Then leave this aside and cool it down completely. Then to make the green masala, add 1 bunch green coriander along with the stem. Then add half cup fresh grated coconut. And then add the fried onion and spices which was previously made. Then add half cup water, add more if required later. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready, make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add half tablespoon mustard seeds. Add 25 to 30 curry leaves. Then fry this for about a minute. Then add the marinated prawns and fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add the green masala paste and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add 2 cups water and cover it and allow it to boil. Then give this a nice mix. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Then add half tablespoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 stock cube. Add some salt to taste. Add 2 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. And then give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the oil separates. Then give this a nice mix. And then cook it until the curry is nice and thick. Then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a delicious and aromatic prawn green masala curry. The perfect blend of spicy, tangy and slightly sweet flavor will leave you craving more. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe at home, be sure to leave a comment and let me know how it turned out. I would love to hear your thoughts and see your creation. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.